Do your photos look dull, overexposed, or just not the way you want for your design? What if you could fix all of that in just a few clicks? Hi everyone, Saif here from Digi Whisper. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to edit an image in Canva. Even if you have never edited a photo before, you will learn how to adjust colors, fix lightings, apply filters, remove backgrounds, and enhance your images to make them look polished and professional. Stick with me till the end to get the most out of Canva's image editing tools. How to edit an image in Canva. First, upload your image with its original size. How we can upload an image with its original size without cropping. First, click here in the Canva logo to land on the Canva dashboard. So this is Canva dashboard. I am now here, and now click the upload section, and here we need to upload the image we want to edit. So click here, the upload files, and select your image from your computer, and the image has been uploaded. And now here are two options. First is use in a new design or edit image. I want to edit the image, so clicking here to edit the image. So here are all of the options I need to edit my image. So let's explore one by one. The first one is cropping. I can crop my image if I need it. The second one is pixel editor, where I can remove anything or any part from the image. And the next one is adjust. I need to adjust image to edit the image. So click here, and here all of the image editing tools are available for you. The first one is auto adjustment. It will adjust your image automatically. You don't need to edit anything manually. If you don't have time and if you don't have any skills, then you can just upload your image and auto adjust with the Canva AI. Let's see how it works. So click here, and it will automatically adjust your image color and other things. But let's say I don't want it automatically. I want to edit my image manually one by one. So I am deselecting it. So now my image is in the previous position. Now I can manually edit my image. The first one is temperature. I can increase the temperature or decrease the temperature. I can increase the tint or decrease the tint. Let's say I want to increase a little bit temperature, and I can increase a little bit tint, and then this is the option you want to edit most. The first option is brightness. I can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. So I think brightness is perfect now, and I can increase the contrast or decrease the contrast now. So I think contrast in this position is okay, and I can increase the highlight. So this is, I think, okay. Now I can increase the shadow or decrease the shadow, but I think this is good. The next one is white. So I can increase white tone here, and I can increase or decrease the blacks. So I think this is okay. And now here is another option, vibrance and saturation. I can increase the vibrance or I can increase or decrease the saturation. Here it will saturate my image, or if I make it 0, it will be a black and white image. So see, it is now a black and white image. So I want to increase saturation a little bit. So I think this is perfect now. And the next options are texture. I can increase the texture, sharpness. So here I can increase the sharpness. I think it is cool. And now I can increase or decrease the clarity. So I think it is okay. And now the last one is vignette. So I can increase it to give this shadow border around my image, or I can decrease it as well. So let's say I want to increase it a little bit, and this is, I think, okay. So once everything is done, your image is ready. You can click here to compare it with your previous one. So it is actually the previous one which I have uploaded, and now it is this format. So it is far better than the original one now. Now, if I need to crop my image, I can also do this. So here, click this button, and here there is another option, crop. I can click here and I can crop my image from here So once your cropping is done, you can rotate it, you can flip it vertically, you can flip it horizontally, and once everything is done, you just need to click the done button, edit your design. So once everything is done, your image is ready, your image editing is complete, you can just click here to download your image. Let's say I want to click here to download my image. So my image has been downloaded. Click here to see how it looks like. So this is the image I have edited now, and I can also save the image in my Canva, or I can start creating a design from this image. So there are other two options as well. So this way you can edit your image in Canva. That's all for now. Make sure to check the pinned comment and video description for all the useful links and resources. And if you want more beginner-friendly Canva tutorials like this, subscribe to the Digi Whisper channel.